Next, we're going to replace the chemical injector on the pump. The chemical injector is your barbed fitting. It's designed to suck in chemical through a chemical hose when your pressure washer is being used with the black soap tip. It will not draw in chemical if you're using one of your regular high pressure nozzles. Now, to remove the injector, we're going to need a 13mm open-end wrench. Now, inside your injector, there is an internal O-ring, a ball, and a spring. And we want to make sure we try and catch those parts when they come out. There's our ball, and here's our spring. The spring is going to go on top of the ball in that type of manner. Now, inside, you can see there's a small O-ring inside there. The ball bearing seats against that. When it's under pressure, pushes the ball bearing down against the O-ring and creates a seal so no water will leak out. If you have water leaking out of your injector, the ball bearing is typically corroded away or the O-ring is damaged, in which case you're going to replace your chemical injector kit. Our chemical injector kit part number is 1000.6340. Assembly of the kit is as follows. I'm going to set down the ball bearing and the O-rings and the spring. First, we're going to put the O-ring around the outside. Then we're going to take the small O-ring and put it on the inside. I'm going to use a small flat screwdriver to push it down into a recessed groove that it sits into. Next, we're going to drop the ball bearing down inside the injector. Put the spring on top of it. Start screwing that in. And once we bottom out, that's all the tightening we need to do. Now, you might wonder, why would an injector wear out? A couple reasons. If you let your chemical hose stay connected and there's chemical in that hose, when you're done pressure washing, that chemical will sit inside here. Some people are using bleach through the chemical injector, as well as degreasers and other kinds of cleaners. Those cleaners left behind will corrode the inside of the injector. They will also corrode the inside of the casting of the pump. So it's always recommended to drop the end of your chemical line into a clean container of water, siphon that through before you're done using your machine and putting it away. That will ensure a longer life of your injector and avoid having to replace this.